आज की सबसे बड़ी खबर आपको बता देती हूँ, लगातार दूसरे दिन कोरोना से 4000 लोगों की मौत हुई है।
ఈ వైరస్ బారిన పడి మృతి చెందిన వారి సంఖ్య 563కు చేరుకుంది.
இரவும் பகலும் எரியும் சுடுகாடுகள், எண்ணிக்கையை எழுதி வைக்க முடியாத அளவிற்கு குவியும் பிணங்கள்.
ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊರೋನಾ ರಣಕೇಕೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿದಿದ್ದು ಸಾವಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 5ಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿದೆ.
Deaths could more than double and again as they've been warning.
How many of you know that 2.5 lakh people are dead due to coronavirus? Can you please imagine how much is 2.5 lakh people? And these 2.5 lakh people may be someone you know, someone's father, mother, brother, sister. Someone you thought that virus will not affect them. Someone you thought that they are very healthy. And you have the result in front of you. Lakhs and lakhs of people are dying because of this dangerous coronavirus. Why is it very difficult for us to stay home, to take the precautionary measures, unlike any other countries following the rules? Why is it so difficult? The government has asked us to stay home and take the precautionary measures. And some idiots out there not taking precautionary measures and still want to go out and fight with all the government employees. If you cannot take care of yourself, then no one, your life is in your hands. Why is it so difficult? How did you feel when you heard the news about the death of someone you know very close? Your friends, your family, someone's father, someone's mother. Why is it so difficult? I request to each and every one of you to please stay home and take utmost precautionary measures. You and me have to fight with this and we will win this.
We know we all are facing a very stressful and difficult times of our lives.
It breaks my heart hearing the news about the death. Not every day, but every single hour.
It's like hearing a weather broadcast every single morning.
Why are the death rate increasing?
Why is the virus spreading so fast?
Is it because the virus has become stronger? Or is it because some people are not taking precautionary measures?
Don't we all know that we have been advised to stay home, maintain social distancing, and sanitize our hands regularly?
Why are we failing to do that? Why are we failing to win this war?
To all of you watching this video, I request you, on behalf of the entire nation, to avoid stepping out and avoid gatherings.
Your life is in your hands.
Remember, until and unless we all cooperate and take precautionary measures, neither you or I are going to see the good times.
You must be hearing a lot of news about donation for the needy. And I promise you, every like I get on this video, I will donate 1 rupee for the needy. And this will happen for the next 30 days from the date of publishing. Please do this. Just 1 like is equivalent to 1 rupee and we will donate it from the date of publishing till 30 days. You can save a life. See you.
I will stay home.
I will stay home. I will stay home.
I will stay home.
I will stay home.
I will stay home. I will stay home.
I will stay home.
I will stay home.
I will stay home.
I will stay home.
I will stay home.